TUS Delft is organizing events like this to bring people together, to make valuable connections, to bring partners, mentors, experts, everyone together in one hub, one incubator. And yeah, the valuable connections is the most important reason.
Well, innovation is important for the healthcare industry because we have a shortage of staff and an aging society. I think innovation can help us to organize the work more easily and make it more efficient, but also so we can remain the unique relationship between the healthcare provider and the patients.
I see many benefits of being a female entrepreneur, especially when you are operating in industries where the majority is male, or there are more men than women. Then you can definitely use it in your advantage because you stick out, so it works great in sales. And people will remember you if you are the only woman, or you're only with a few women on a large event. Or you are the only female in a boardroom or in a meeting, then you definitely stick out and you can definitely use that in your advantage.
I think I had a few takeaways from the event today. First, to change that 1% funding that's going to women, we need more women on the other side of the table investing, and so it's great for females to see female role models as investors and be able to follow that path. Also great to just increase the visibility of female entrepreneurs who are building these incredible startups. And I think the last thing is really regional specific, where it's wonderful to bring together Erasmus and TU Delft to have business and tech and science meeting each other and see those connections made. So I was excited to see all that happening today.